did it.
Here it
I
comes.
did it.
Ready, set.
I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it.
You did do it. Good job.
I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it.
Oh, geez.
I did it.
You sure did. Good job. Oh, here it comes. Hi, Mason.
Mom, can I see it?
Sure. Hi, Mason.
Where's me, Mom?
You're right there. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh.
Whoopsies. Hi, Mason.
Picture me, Mom. Picture me. Picture me, Mom.
Hi, Mason.
Picture me, Mom.
You want a picture of you too, Colton?
Oh.
Oh, jeez. And here's Mr. Mason.
Mom?
What are you eating there, buddy? Yeah?
Picture me.
You want a picture of you? Oh, look at you. Woo! A football player, huh? And there's Mason. Can you guys say Happy Mother's Day to Grandma?
Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mama.
Oh, jeez. Can you tell her what your full name is?
Colton.
What's the rest of it?
Grandpa Hogsett.
Yeah, it is Colton Michael Hogsett, and Grandpa has the same name as you. There's Mason. Hi, Macy face.
Picture me, Mom.
Okay. Nice catch. And there's Mason. There he is. Whoopsies. Did you take a little tumble there, buddy? All right. Happy Mother's Day, Grandma. We'll see you soon. Can you say bye, Mason?
Bye, Mom. Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye.
Say, love you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Bye, Grandma, Grandpa.
Great job, Colton. Ah! How about you, Mason? Can you... Oh. Bye, Grandma.